Hello friends, welcome to another short mini project. So here we will find the longest word in a sentence. So the thing is, let's create a function def longest word. Again, it will accept a sentence or string. Yeah, sentence only. Alright, we will create words list. And here what we will do, we will string dot split, we are going to split it. Okay, next create another variable longest. I'm thinking of the variable longest word. Actually the function name and the variable name is becoming same, so that's why I'm thinking of something else. Longest word in str. Okay, equals, we are going to use the max function. Yes friend, and what it does, see here what are the arguments it takes. The first, we are going to take words, and next we have the key value. So here the key value will be length. Yeah, this is the one. That's it. Next, let's print it using f string only. Try using f string, okay, make it a habit. The longest word in the sentence is, and we are going to use a quote. Okay, here we have single quote, so we can use double quote, and inside it we can write, we can use the variable longest word in str. Okay, that's it. Our function is ready. All we need is to take user input. So u underscore input, every time we are using user input, so that's why, just for a change, you know. Okay, so let's use the input function. Enter the sentence. Again, we are going to provide a new line, and we are going to call longest word with u underscore input. Since here only we are printing, we don't need to use any kind of print statement here. So that's it. Now let's execute it. So Python, provide a 14, then tab, it will take automatically. Enter the sentence, say I love chess. Yeah, that's true, chess. Let's execute it one more time. My hobbies are chess, programming, listening music. Let's hit enter. Yeah, the longest word in the sentence is programming. So let me see whether it is PROG 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, it's IMG, it should be ING. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only 2 letters short. Yeah. Okay. So that's it guys. I hope that you have learned something. So I recommend you practice these projects and try to explore more. Try to make some twists in these, right? Okay. So see you in our next project. Till then, have fun. Take care.